we are excited to share about Bihar. The land of history, culture, and spirit. Bihar, part of eastern India. Its share border with Nepal. Ganga River uh, flow through the state. It's not give just water. It gives life to farmer and nature. Bihar is not an ordinary state. Their, their essence is very rich and old. It's part of Magad. It's a big kingdom part of Magad, the Soka who ruled from here. And if talk about education, so there are top colleges in in Bihar like IIT Patna, Nalanda University.
We have reached at
Yes.
railway station of Bihar.
Yes, let's explore the first railway station.
See the people, they are looking educated.
Yes, we are standing in row for
Oh.
waiting train.
Oh my God! It's so clean state.
Yes, yes,
How it's possible?
you're saying correct.
It's a state of India.
Maybe let me check first where we are. Yes, we are in Bihar.
Oh my God! See, they are looking educated and they know how to behave. Yaar, he is not fighting. How?
Yes.
Huh? He is not abusing. It's a Bihar.
Someone is forget their wallet. No one stole.
Oh, it's a Bihar. So, Adarsh Bhaiya, so let's see the education system of Bihar because I want to see because they are looking so educated.
Yes, let's explore.
This is the school of Bihar where students are so amazing. They are not using mobile phone. They are not dancing in school. They are focusing on studies and they are well educated. That's why they know how to behave in society. So let's see the beauty of Bihar or people of Bihar or let's see the security of Bihar. Hi, Adarsh Bhaiya, what are you doing?
Nothing?
I think someone has stolen your phone.
No.
Where is your phone? Where is
I-
your phone?
Actually, I don't know.
Oh yaar, it's here. Why you are thinking about them? They are so clever. They are not thief.
Yes.
In Bihar, you would not see poverty, you would not see bad infrastructure. So let's see the buildings of Bihar or roads. Come with me, Bhaiya.
Okay. So you see that building?
Yes, Bhaiya. It's so tall.
Yes.
How it's possible?
Even road.
Bhaiya, it's so good.
Yes.
I think government is so good in
Yes.
Bihar. Oh my God.
In road there is no any cave.
Oh, it's so clean. I can sleep here. It's so clean.
Even some people sleep.
Oh, like they are rich, yaar. They
Yes.
are wearing coat pant.
Yeah. It's okay.
Oh my God. I haven't seen anyone who is unemployment in India. And like in Bihar, there are many people, they are educated and the literacy rate of Bihar is awesome. Or unemployment is nothing. And you know, people, if you would see the infrastructure of Bihar is awesome, you have seen the buildings of Bihar also. So see the employment of Bihar. Oh my God, where you are doing work?
Yes, I'm doing work.
Oh my God. It's your work.
Yes, it's my work.
It's nice. So see, in Bihar there is no unemployment, there is no uneducated people, and they know how to behave in society, and they are not addicted by anything like alcohol or tamaku. We only heard about Bihar, its worst country, its worst state or something, but it's a beautiful state. Or so like I'm so fascinating to say something to you. प्रणाम सुनतानी ई स्टेट बाटे बहुते सुंदर आई चले हमरा साथे खाए के लिट्टी चोखा चली जल जातनी